Hi my friend, welcome in this new video. Today I would like to talk about concatenative synthesize, and maybe you already saw my video about scattered. Scattered is a solution package for Max MSP and from HereCam, which does concatenative synthesize in a way. Today I would like to show you another way to do it with another package named SP Tools. I will put you a link down below. SP Tools is developed by Rodrigo Constanzo. He uses Flucoma system to do it, and he used for that another package named Fluid. But I will show you a link, and you will have all the way to install everything for SP Tools. And also, of course, Flucoma and also Fluid package too. What he created is mainly for percussion and drums, but actually you can use it to do many things and to do concatenative synthesize in its own way. So let's go to my screen now, and this is what I prepare for you. So how to create a concatenate synth with SP Tools. And this is the address where you can actually download everything you need to do this thing, and the SP Tools package. And also, I can show you here the Fluid Corpus Manipulation Toolkit. Okay, what do we need to create our very simple concatenate synth here? First thing we need is this sp.concateCreate, and with this object we will create corpus from sound files. If you follow this channel, you know a little bit about what a corpus is. Actually, a corpus, it's an ensemble of sound, or an entire sound files what we use to be analyzed. Talking about analyze, the second object we will need is this sp.concateanalysis, and with this we will analyze not the corpus, but we will analyze the incoming audio, and this incoming audio can be real-time audio, incoming audio, or a sound file. Then you will need this sp.concatematch, and this is where you try to match incoming audio to the characteristic and the descriptors of the corpus you create. And then you just need to play this result, and to play it in this kind of concat player, this kind of granular engine. Very, very simple. Let's start. So I will use this object. So the first thing we're gonna do is to create a corpus. In this case, especially for concatenative synthesize. So what we need to do here is to send just a message, actually, to load a sound file. Okay, so here I use a live numbox object. With this object, we'll be able to see the progression or analyze. So with the load message, we'll load sound file, and then we'll need to write the actual files I will use after, and for that I use write. So let's start. Okay, I will load the sound file. So let's say I use this contrabass sound file. Okay, and now he asks me for some metadata. Okay, CB corpus. Let's it's always better to put this underscore because computers have difficulties with space. And you can continue to put some information here if you want. So I said okay, and now it's just it does the analyze. So it's very simple. It takes a little time because I think actually the sound file is long.
Party people. Yeah, lace it up, y'all. Come on now.
Okay, as you can see, it's 1 minute and 58 seconds. Not so long, but it takes time to analyze things. Okay, now we can write our file. So let's put it on my desktop and call it C contrabass corpus. Excuse me. Let's say try. Okay, I have my file. What I need to do is to have an incoming audio here. So for that, I can use, I don't know, let's say I will use my microphone right here. So I can use ADC and say, okay, my input is input 3 on my audio interface. And I just need to plug it here. Okay, and then I will use a toggle here to turn the DSP on. So okay, what's happened? What's happened here? The sound come here and it's analyzed by this simple object. It's analyzed with several descriptors, but I will not talk about it in this video now. So now I have this SP concat match. So I need to say, okay, you will receive this sound. We need to analyze this incoming audio with a corpus file. So it's a file we just write before. So I need to read this file. So I use a load message here, and then I will analyze this file. Okay. So then I need to play all this thing. Oh, just very simple. Okay, and I will play the results of my match sound. So say, and for that I just need to use an easy DAC and to hear something. So if I do thing right now, and I think I will have a result. So let's try. I'll load my corpus JSON G sound I have here. It's in the memory. It's here. And now, okay. I will turn it off. Maybe you hear that my voice controls the pitch and some other characteristic of a sound of a sound I analyze when I create this corpus here. Okay, it was a sound of contrabass playing. Many type of playing in contrabass. So maybe to see that, so I can put a waveform here. Okay, and maybe I can see these waveforms. Okay, now I have a waveforms of my long, I don't remember, 1 minute something contrabass corpus. So with my voice is not. Okay. It tries to find the best match between the sound I produce and that is analyzed here, and the sound of a corpus. As simple as that, actually. So maybe what I can do is to put the direct voice by itself. If you play with rate, you can have this kind of rhythmic thing. Can you listen? If we listen to the I think there is a lot of things that you can imagine with this technique. Of course, this patch is really simple, just a work in progress. Imagine that to put some reverb and delay on it, and maybe use, I don't know, a better and find the best corpus that you can use, depending of what incoming audio you want to use. There is a lot of things to search. Actually, it's not a magic possibilities. It's not just it's not a plugin, that everything is already done for you. We need to try and to work on some stuff, and because it's max object. What you can do is to combine multiple max objects together. We can imagine here, look at the patch, you can imagine that I have two analyses from two corpus that can be trigger and react to the same incoming audio, or a contrary, have multiple incoming audio that can have to one analyze a corpus file. There is so many things that you can do, really. So yes, it's fun. And again, download SP Tools and try by yourself. And my advice for that, because it can be very complicated system, it's really to start with this concat part of SP Tools, because we'll see that in SP Tools you have a lot of possibilities based on machine learning and all this kind of thing. And I think the concat part of this package is maybe easier to use, and you will see, of course, open all the help files of each object, because Rodrigo did an awesome job with package. We can find a lot to learn how to use it, and it's just your imagination. So I will continue to propose you some very beginner friendly, I don't know, or vulgarization kind of video about all these tools that seems very complicated at first, and maybe it is very complicated, but it's always the same story. You can't manage everything at the same time. You can manage everything like that. This is not about it's not a plugin that you just put and click a button and everything working. It's not more. It is a creative object, creative tools for you and your sound design and your music. So thank you very much, my friend, to watching this video. Please subscribe and ring the bell and everything. See you in the next one. Bye.